freaking burnt, guys. I'm burnt. Look at that. Jeez. I was outside all day today building a fence. I'm freaking fried. It doesn't really look like it, at least from my screen, but I am freaking fried. Anyways, as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be checking out another song by Slipknot. This one is called If Rain Is What You Want. Yeah, I do not know what to expect here. Looks pretty creepy from the cover, but yeah, let's get right into it. What in the world? Ooh, I love the sound of that. Oh, this sounds awesome. Something crazy is gonna happen. Yo, this has got to be one of the like actual darkest intros I think I've heard so far. It is just, it's the way that they've changed the tone of the guitar, and then you have these like really bizarre scratchy sounds. It sounds like a record skipping. Yeah, it sounds like a record or a CD or a disc or something like skipping, like it's not on the track right. This sounds really bizarre, but I love this. Some bass now. This is gonna be crazy. This sounds crazy.
It's been years since anyone could be a friend. It's the fear that kills the feeling in the end.
Wow, this is awesome. I absolutely love. This sounds crazy. This is insane. This is awesome. It's so creepy, but it's like in a really, really pleasant way. I don't know. I love the sound of this so far.
It's the fear that kills the feeling in the end. Can we face it? Can we shape it? Can we really die? If rain is what you want, all you have to do is close your eyes. Just close your eyes.
Wow.
I am watching resurrection start to crawl.
Wow. This is so different. This song is so different. It's so different than any of their other songs so far. I will honestly be okay if it stays like this throughout the entire song. This is unique. The sound of this is so unique. If it picks up and gets like super crazy, I'm not going to be disappointed at all, but I also am not going to be disappointed if it stays at this tone because it's got this very peculiar creepy vibe. Oh my god.
Resurrection start to crawl. Is there any chance in hell? Any chance at all? Do we need it? Do we see it? Is it really there? If rain is what you want, then take your seats. Enjoy the fall. Enjoy
wow, this why is this song so different? This is uh, it's crazy. I love this. I freaking love it. Corey's voice, like this right here, is some other kind of like hybrid voice that I haven't heard yet. I've heard like the dark kind of like maniac possessed voice where he's kind of like imagining him like in a dark corner of a room, and I've also heard just kind of his like kind of dark talking voice, but this is like this is different. This is like a hybrid. And there's someone else. I'm guessing there are other people here doing like some backup vocals with him that just sound amazing. But it's one thing that's really standing out to me though is the drums. The drums have this very um, dark, hollow type sound, which they don't. I can't think of a song where I've heard the drums sound this way. And I think it's kind of carrying that overall vibe. It's just amazing. Yeah. Get thunderous.
In these diamonds, we're left with colored glass. As pressure takes its toll, we will outlast. But you can't break my heart.
Holy crap. Who is harmonizing with him right now? Is it are they layering his own vocals or is someone else harmonizing with him? Cuz I think if I remember correctly, sometimes Clown does backup vocals, but I'm not quite sure. I just know this sounds amazing right now.
Break my heart. As long as I can be myself, I'll never fall apart.
Yeah.
And you can't take me in. If I'm not broken, break me down, so I will never feel whole again.
Wow. Ah. Holy crap.
The only thing deeper than my last breath. The only thing darker than my last death
Ah.
is the panic, the static. I come back from the dead, from my sight. Will never sleep again. My sight will never sleep again.
Ah, gosh, again. I think it's also the pace of the song. How it's pretty slow. Like it's a pretty slow song, but it's just so heavy. It's slow and heavy, and the overall tone is just dark, and it's so unique. The song is amazing. I love how they keep doing these little slow sections that they keep throwing in here, where they kind of let the instrumental ride a little bit. This is crazy.
Never sleep again. My sad eyes will never sleep again. My sad eyes will never sleep again.
Wow. The way that they're like fading that out, some really bizarre sounds here. Wow. 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 Holy crap, that was awesome. That was awesome. In case anyone's asking, I know it's not a pint glass, but it's a blue moon. If anybody's asking, um, right here. Yeah. Anyways, holy crap! If rain is what you want, Slipknot. You guys, I gotta say, another bold freaking statement, I know, but this may be in my top three. This has got to be in my top three, if not top five for sure. I don't know why. The song was just, to me, this sounded different than any of their other songs. It did not have anything remotely similar than their other music. And I know each song seems to kind of be different in its own way, and they all are, but this one was just even like more way out there. The pace, the overall sound, just how dark it was, but it wasn't like that crazy creepy like I've heard. It wasn't like Corey laughing hysterically while he's like either cutting himself or like throwing up or whatever. I read some comments about one of the songs that I reacted to. I can't remember which one off the top of my head right now, but it was a song like that where there was some like live recording of Corey literally like losing his mind. And I love that. But this just had a whole different vibe. It wasn't that side. It was just I don't know. It was the way that they made it. It was crazy. I absolutely loved it. The drums sounded way different in here too. They had this very like slow but thunderous kind of hollow sound. The guitar chords were heavy but not like in your face and very fast. There were some interesting little effects thrown in there from turntables, I'm assuming. And then the parts where it sounded like either Corey's vocals were being layered or backup vocals were being tossed in, it was just insane. Like the whole song was crazy. I loved this song. This song was awesome. So yes, I'm like burning up right now. I don't know if it was the song that made me do that or if it's like I'm pretty sure it's my sunbird though. I got heat freaking radiating off me right now. But yeah, you guys already know I got many more Slipknot songs to check out still. So as always, keep the recommendations coming. I freaking love these guys. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.